So one more example related to Bernoulli's differential equation, which is identified as reducible to linear form number 2, and we identify that as some function of y or some power of y is multiplied to function of x in the RHS. So here initially the question is given to us as cos x into dy is equal to y multiplied by sin x minus y dx. Now I see the term of y, and so that you can make the differential coefficient as dy by dx. But if you see here, this y into sin x will be there and minus y square will be there. So major possibility is getting the term of power of y on one of the side. So it cannot be reduced to linear differential equation in y, nor it is containing x, so I cannot reduce it to the linear differential equation as dx by dy. So only what is left with me, I will convert it or try to convert it into the reducible to linear form, or say Bernoulli's equation. So very first step, either the question will be given in this pattern or the question will be given to you in this way. If the question is dy by dx is equal to y tan x minus y square sec x, it gives the direct hint that some power of y is multiplied on the RHS with function of x, through which, yeah, by which we have to divide the both sides. I hope this is clear to everybody. So I start with, though the given differential equation is in this way, the first sentence or statement, I will convert it into this form, and then we will try to solve it further. What it is to be done, this is to be shifted to LHS, and then we have to divide the whole expression by minus y square, or you can divide simply by y square, whatever is feasible. So the above equation can be written as dy by dx minus tan x into y is equal to minus y square sec x. I am preferring to divide it by y square sec x and minus sign as it is on the other side. So 1 upon y square into dy by dx minus tan x into y upon y square is equal to minus sec x. Right? So y to the power minus 2 into dy by dx minus tan x into y upon y square will give you 1 by y. And what is 1 by y actually? 1 by y is y to the power minus 1 is equal to minus sec x. Now derivative of y to the power minus 1 is minus 1 into y to the power minus 1, that will give you minus 2. So I am able to see that y to the power minus 2 is already available or present here, right? So I can substitute this as some other variable. You take it as z, you take it as v. Here I have preferred taking it as t. So y to the power minus 1 is considered as t. Y to the power minus 1 is t, minus 1 into y to the power minus 2 dy by dx is dt by dx. I hope it is visible.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And how you can go to the second step?
Sir, can you please scroll up some?
Yeah. The previous steps you want to write?
Yes, sir.
So finish writing.
Yes, sir.
So put y to the power minus 1 is equal to t, minus 1 into y to the power minus 2 dy by dx is equal to dt by dx. Y to the power minus 2 into dy by dx is minus dt by dx. So now replace this y to the power minus 2 dy by dx as minus dt by dx, minus tan x as it is. Y to the power minus 1 is t and RHS contains minus sec x. Now what is the dependent variable here?
T.
T. What is the differential coefficient of that dependent variable? Dt by dx, right? But I don't want a minus as the coefficient, right? So multiply by minus 1 on both sides. So automatically it becomes dt by dx plus tan x into t is equal to sec x. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So dt by dx plus tan x into t is equal to sec x. Dt by dx plus tan x into t is equal to sec x, which is linear differential equation in t. Comparing, we get p is equal to tan x, q is equal to sec x. Integration of p dx. Integration of tan x is log of sec x. E and log gets cancelled. What we are left with? Sec x.
Second.
The solution is given by what is the dependent variable here? T.
T.
So solution will be t into if is equal to integration of q into if dx plus c. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
So now in the RHS also sec x into sec x will become sec square x. Right?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
integration of sec square x is tan x.
Tan x.
In the final answer, we replace the value of t by y to the power minus 1. Y to the power minus 1 will be 1 upon y. So it becomes sec x upon y. T into sec x is equal to integration of sec x into sec x dx plus c. So t into sec x is equal to integral sec square x dx plus c. T into sec x is equal to integration of this term is tan x. So t is equal to y to the power minus 1, that is 1 upon y. So this will be your answer. 1 by y into sec x is equal to tan x plus c, or sec x is equal to y multiplied by tan x plus c. Right?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Noted down everybody the solution. I hope it is clear to all.
Yes,
sir.
Sir.
So how the reducible to linear form gets is nothing but the Bernoulli's equation, right? So the difference between the earlier form and this form is this is Bernoulli's equation. Bernoulli's equation is form number 2 for reducible to linear. It is similar to reducible to linear differential equation, but there some power of y is multiplied on the RHS, and that takes the term f of y and f dash of y, right? In the earlier case, that is form number 1, some function of y is there. Say it is sin y, log y, tan y, and their derivative is present in the coefficient of dy by dx. Here you will find some power of y, and obviously when we divide by that power of y, it is simply the polynomial or simple function of y with some integral power. Integral or fractional कुछ भी चलता है. Y to the power 1/2 was fractional power. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. This solution is written. Yes. Can you take down this example? The next example is solve dy by dx minus y is equal to tan x. Sorry, dy by dx minus y into tan x is equal to 3 e to the power minus sin x if y is equal to 4 when x is equal to 0. Dy by dx minus y into tan x is equal to 3 e to the power minus sin x if y is equal to 4 when x is equal to 0. Yes, what does this condition imply?
सॉल्यूशन
What solution?
मतलब सर सॉल्यूशन आने के बाद उसमें वैल्यू रख देंगे.
Yes, yes. See, whenever we find out the solution of a differential equation, everywhere we are doing the indefinite integration. And if you see, it contains the arbitrary constant c. What we call this c as? C is any arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant means it may take any value, right? Because this is the constant of integration. This condition will give us the value of this arbitrary constant. So in all these previous cases, this solution was called as general solution. But here, after putting down the value of x and y, whatever value of c, the arbitrary constant we will be getting, we call that particular solution as particular solution. I ke baat samajh mein? So this
Yes,
particular
sir.
solution, that solution will be particular solution. Why? Because after getting down the answer, I am putting down the values of x and y so as to get the value of arbitrary constant c, and that c will be replaced by certain fixed quantity. So when we say that it is a fixed quantity, we call that solution as a particular solution. Acha, now we have solved so many equations and examples. Can you identify which form it is?
सिंपल
Simple which form?
लीनियर इन वाई.
Linear
Yes, it is a
differential
simple
equation.
linear differential equation with dependent variable as y. Because I see only one term of y which is linear or whose degree is 1. Its differential coefficient is also having degree as 1. They are not multiplied together. Maximum terms are of x. So I can reduce it, or I can call it as that it is a linear differential equation form with dependent variable as y. So I write down the given differential equation: dy by dx minus y into tan x is equal to 3 into e to the power minus sin x. Dy by dx minus y into tan x is equal to 3 e to the power minus sin x. Here p is equal to minus tan x, q is equal to 3 e to the power minus sin x. Dy by dx, coefficient of dy by dx is 1. So integrating factor is integration of e to the power integration of p dx. So e to the power minus tan x dx. minus log of sec x to the power minus 1, that is 1 upon sec x, and 1 upon sec x is written as cos x. So this is clear, integrating factor.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. E to the power minus integration of tan x dx, e to the power minus log of sec x. E to the power log of sec x to the power minus 1. So sec x to the power minus 1, 1 upon sec x, which is equal to cos x. The solution is given by y into if is equal to integral q into if dx plus c. Y into cos x is equal to integral 3 into e to the power minus sin x into cos x dx plus c. Now how this integration can be resolved?
By
By
putting
putting
sin
e
x
to the
equal to
power
t.
minus sin x equals to t.
E to the power minus sin x equal to t.
Yes, sir.
Sin
Only
x,
sin x.
sin x equal to t.
E
तो
to the
No, sir.
power माइनस sin x कैसे करेंगे, क्योंकि उसका डेरिवेटिव तो माइनस e to the power माइनस के फॉर्म में रहना चाहिए, but I don't think it will be possible, right? So what you see over here is cos x dx. So only simply putting sin x is equal to t can serve the purpose, because integration of e to the power minus t is available with us. So what I will do is I will put sin x is equal to t. So cos x dx will be equal to dt, and I am left with 3 times integral e to the power minus t dt. And what is integration of e to the power minus t? Minus e to the
Minus e
power
to the
minus.
power minus t.
Yes. And later on you can replace the value of t as sin x. Once the integration is over, our purpose of calculation is done. So y into cos x is equal to 3 into integral e to the power minus t dt plus c. And integration of e to the power minus t is minus e to the power minus t. So y into cos x is equal to minus 3 e to the power minus t plus c. Replace the value of t as sin x, so it becomes minus 3 into e to the power minus sin x plus c. Add this on the left hand side. So I am remaining with the term y into cos x plus 3 into e to the power minus sin x is equal to c. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I have to use the condition to find the value of arbitrary constant c, because this is a general solution and I am now interested to find the particular solution. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. Noted up to the general solution, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Purposely why I have taken this to LHS, so that I am left with only the value of c, and I am interested in finding out the value of c only. So using the conditions, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 means 4 into cos 0 is 1 plus 3 e to the power minus sin 0. What is sin 0? 0. E to
0.
the power 0 is 1.
1.
So 4 plus 3, which is 7. So what is the value of c I am calculating as? 7.
7.
So replace the value. Y into cos x plus 3 into e to the power minus sin x is equal to 7. Or again you can shift this to the other side, because answer has to be written in the form of y is equal to. So y into cos x is equal to 7 minus, in place of c you put it as 7 plus 3 e to the power minus sin x को take it into the RHS, it becomes minus 3 e to the power minus sin x. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Y into cos x is equal to 7 minus 3 into e to the power minus sin x. This is the required solution. Completed?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So that is the required solution. Finished up to this, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed the answer?
No, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please note
Yes,
down the
sir.
practice problems. Number 1, solve dy by dx plus y by x is equal to x square given y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1. Yes, can anybody tell me what kind of equation it can be compared with?
Bernoulli's.
Bernoulli's?
No, sir. For linear independent variable y.
Yes. Anybody else? What form it can be? Bas abhi we have solved sufficient number of examples, and by the virtue of which you should be in a position to identify by looking at the question that
Sir,
yes,
Sir,
it
dy,
can be
linear of different
sir, dy
differential.
by dx plus py is equals to q.
Yes, it is direct question. Dy by dx plus py, dy by dx plus py is equal to q,
Q.
because y is linear. Its differential coefficient dy by dx is also linear. They are not multiplied together, and p and q are remaining functions of x. All these are functions of x. So I can say that yes, it is a linear differential equation in y. And what does this condition imply?
For value putting y and
Particular
x.
solution we have
Yeah,
to
You
we
can
find
will
take
out.
have
it
to
as it
put
is
the
also.
value and get the particular solution from the general solution. Is this
Yes,
clear?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, so this is very simple equation. Now every question, all the questions are mixed, jumbled up. Now we will have to identify that which equation is being executed. So this was very simple direct question. Dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q, given y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1. Note down the answer as well so that it will be easy for you to verify. Clear? Take the second one. Solve x plus 1 into dy by dx minus 2y is equal to x plus 1 to the power 4. X plus 1 into dy by dx minus 2y is equal to x plus 1 to the power 4. What can be done? Very first step, what you have to do is
So
Divide by
divide
x
Divide
by
by
plus
x
x
plus
one.
plus
1.
1.
Make
divide
Divide
by,
by x plus 1.
yeah,
Divide by
divide
x
by x
plus 1.
plus 1. Why? Because the requirement is coefficient of dy by dx should be 1.
One.
Here I divide by x plus 1. बाद में क्या हो जाएगा फिर? After dividing by x plus 1, this will become dy by
dy by
dx
dx minus 2y upon
Yeah.
x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 to the power 3.
3. Yes, it will be reduced to x plus 1 to the power 3. Then it is which form?
Linear and dependent.
dy by dx plus py equals
dy by dx plus py. Yes, क्योंकि यहाँ पर भी function of x है, यहाँ पर भी function of x है. Y is only the one term which is linear. Its differential coefficient dy by dx also occurs in degree 1. They are not multiplied together. So I can conclude that it will be again linear differential equation with dependent variable as y. Is
Y.
this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah. Is any condition given? No. So it will contain answer. It will contain arbitrary constant in the answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So kindly note down the answer also for your reference. When you attempt those examples, it will be more clear. Is it okay?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Clear? Third one. Solve. X into dy by dx minus 3y is equal to x minus 1. Solve. X into dy by dx minus 3y is equal to x minus 1. Which form it can be?
dy by dx plus
Y by
py.
dx py is equals to q.
What should be done first?
Divide by x.
X.
Divide by x.
Divide by x. So it will become minus 3 by x, and here it will become x minus
1
1 upon
minus
x. 1 minus 1 by
x.
x. Right? So this will be identified as q. This will be your p.
P.
So dy by dx minus py is equal to q. So p will be minus 3 by x because our standard form contains only plus. So whatever is with the negative sign, it should be absorbed as a value of p. Clear? I hope it is okay. Everybody
Yes.
in
Excuse me,
a
sir.
position.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
We have done this in the previous practice problems.
This is completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. No issues. No issues. Kindly note down if we have done it earlier, ignore it. So answer will be y is equal to minus x by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus cx cube. Right? Y is equal to minus x by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus cx cube. Finished up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Note down the other. X into x minus 1 dy by dx minus y is equal to x square into x minus 1 whole square. X into x minus 1 into dy by dx minus y is equal to x square into x minus 1 whole square. What will be the first step?
Dividing by x
Divide by
into
x
x minus 1.
Yes, dividing by x into x minus 1. यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 1 upon this term, right? And here one of the term will get cancelled. So only in the numerator we remain with x into x minus 1. Take the LCM. How you take, compare it with P and Q. So what is the value of P? Minus 1 upon x into x minus 1. Yes?
Yes, sir.
How this
Yes,
is to
sir.
be simplified? What can be the integration of this? इतना आसान नहीं है. I hope everybody agrees कि P will be -1 upon x into x minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
RHS we are not bothered with. We want integrating factor e to the power integration of PDX. So e to the power integration of this. How it will be simplified?
Sir, we multiply x into bracket, then we solve it, sir.
What it will be? 1 upon x square minus x.
Yes, sir. Then we
X square minus x, unless and until some term is present in the numerator, you cannot take the derivative. Na? If you have the denominator's derivative present in the numerator, then you can apply the log.
Sir, in the numerator we will add x and minus subtract x.
You will add x and
Subtract x.
okay, x minus 1 and then minus x. This is what you are trying to say. And this will be x into x minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Right? I hope we have not changed the problem. And now it can be 1 upon x minus 1 upon
X minus 1.
x minus 1. Yes. Is this the correct way?
Yes, sir.
And what is
Yes,
integration
sir.
of 1 upon x?
Log x.
Log x.
What is integration of 1 upon x minus 1?
Log x minus 1.
Log x minus 1. See, adjustment of x, whatever we are doing, ultimately we have got the answer by partial fraction. So another technique for simplifying or splitting this product into two is partial fraction. Have you heard the word partial fraction before this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So whenever the functions or the factors are in the product form, we can break them with the help of partial fraction. So a upon the first factor plus b upon the second factor, and then we can simplify and get the values. But as this problem is very simple, you can go with this adjustment. I hope everybody has noted down, because going ahead with the product, it will be very difficult for us to identify or calculate the integration. We have to break them into either addition or subtraction, then only we can integrate it individually or independently. So adding x and subtracting x is giving us the simplified form, right? Is this
Yes.
okay? Yeah. So note down this as a hint and note down the final answer as well. This is your final answer. So I hope everybody will be able to proceed ahead now with this rule. And
Yes,
both the
sir.
terms will contain log. So log cancel, right? E to the power log x. E to the power, it will be log x minus log of x minus 1. And what is log m minus log n? Log of m by n. So I think you get the answer as x upon x minus 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Kindly do it. Simplify it. Note down the next. 2xy dy by dx is equal to 10x cube y to the power 5 plus y. 2x dy by dx is equal to 10x cube into y to the power 5 plus y. कैसे सिंप्लीफाई होगा पहले?
Sir, we will shift y to LHS.
We will shift y to LHS. So this will become minus y. Okay, then
Divide by 2x.
divide by 2x. So this 2x gone. Here you get a 2x. Here also you divide by 2x. So ये क्या बन जाएगा? 5x square. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which form it is?
So Bernoulli.
Linear.
Bernoulli.
Bernoulli. Why? Because some power of y is multiplied on the RHS along with
RHS.
function of x. आई बात समझ में?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
तो
Yes, sir.
रिड्यूसिबल टू लीनियर फॉर्म नंबर 2 जिसको बोलेंगे बर्नौलीज. ओके,
Yes, sir.
तो टेक डाउन द स्टेप्स. हिंट लिख के रख दीजिएगा. यस. So this is identified as reducible to linear Bernoulli form. Will you complete it later?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sixth one. Tan y into dy by dx plus tan x is equal to cos y into cos square x. Yes. यहां पर कहीं y या x ऐसा लीनियर टर्म नहीं दिख रहा है. इन प्लेस ऑफ दैट व्हाट वी आर एबल टू सी हियर.
Function of x.
Function of
Yeah,
x.
function of y. So how it can be converted to? Which form it can be?
Form 1, sir.
Form 1.
Form 1 means which form?
Reducible to linear.
Reducible to linear form number 1. But उसके लिए कुछ तो भी करना पड़ेगा पहले. How it can be? What is the form number 1 reducible to linear?
F dash of y.
Divide by cos y.
dx.
Divide by cos y. Yes, this is the term which has to be removed. So tan y upon cos y. Right? Here also it will be 1 upon cos y. And from here it vanishes. What is 1 upon cos y?
Sec y.
Sec y.
Yes. So this will be sec y into tan y dy by dx plus tan x into sec y बराबर है. I will write it properly. Plus tan x into sec y is equal to cos square x. So this is your function of y, sec y. Its derivative is present as sec y into tan y. I hope this is clear to everybody.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So in this we identify it as form number 1 reducible to linear, and appropriately it can be simplified. I hope the steps are clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So यहाँ पर y सिर्फ लीनियर नहीं दिखता, x कभी लीनियर नहीं दिखता. Instead of them it is function of y, tan y, log y, sec y, e to the power y, quat y, cosec y, etc. ठीक है. Bernoulli contains some power of y. Here it contains function of y. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, note it down everybody properly. Hint is written.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So each and every example we are discussing and giving you the hint so that further simplification will not be difficult for you. 7. X dy by dx plus y is equal to y square log x. What should be done first? Hint I have written, divide by x. तो क्या हो जाएगा? It will be like this. Which form it is?
Bernoulli.
Bernoulli.
Bernoulli's. Why? Because some power of y is multiplied in the RHS.
RHS.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So lot of work is there for you today, right? All the complete mixing up of questions is there. Note down question number 8, 9 and 10. Fine.
Sir, can you please scroll up to question number 7?
Hmm.
I Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, question number 6 also.
By Saturday, you may be completing this all. Will it be possible for you to complete it by Saturday?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Almost
sir.
hint to each and every example is given. Only you have to carry it forward, right? And get the correct solution.
Sir, 10th question.
Yes.
10th question.
Yeah. Six, seven, eight completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 9th and 10th.